Welcome to my channel. How to log in WAVLINK router. Step 1. Connect your device. Ensure your computer or smartphone is connected to the WAVLINK router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Open a web browser. Launch a browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox on your connected device. Step 3. Enter router's IP or URL. Type 192.168.10.1 or wifi.wavelink.com into the address bar and press enter. Step 4. Access the login page. Wait for the WAVLINK router's login page to load. Step 5. Enter username. Type the default username, typically admin, unless changed. Step 6. Enter password. Use admin as the default password or enter your custom password if you've updated it. Step 7. Click Login. Press the Login button to access the router's admin dashboard. Step 8. Explore settings. Use the dashboard to manage Wi-Fi settings, security, or network configurations. Step 9. Update login credentials. Change the default admin username and password for enhanced security. Step 10. Log out securely. Log out when finished to secure your router's admin panel. Thank you for watching.